It's blueberry season and I'm making blueberry ice cream. Yes, ice cream. It's not that difficult, believe me. All you need is an ice cream maker, and if you have one of those, that's the hardest part. First, you're gonna start with about a cup or two of freshly picked blueberries. Well, the store-bought will do just fine, but these were freshly picked from a local farm, and you're gonna put them in a pot with some sugar and let it boil and make a nice little syrup. And here we go. This is the syrup. It kind of boiled over, so be very careful. Now I'm just going to take it and put it through the immersion blender and break up some of those clumps. It's all emulsified and now it's nice and creamy. You can even make jam with this actually. I just put a little bit of sugar in it so it can break down a little bit. Let it cool completely before you do this process. And then you're gonna set it aside, and now we're going to assemble the rest of the ice cream. You're gonna need whole milk, heavy cream, vanilla, and a can of sweetened condensed milk. To make it easy on myself, I measure everything in here because it's 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of heavy cream, the whole can of sweetened condensed milk, and then I put the vanilla and then the syrup. And then all of that goes into the ice cream maker. You can also use this base of these ingredients, these 4 ingredients, for any other ice cream. You can make vanilla ice cream and just add the vanilla. You can make chocolate ice cream, but this is the powerhouse right here. These 3 ingredients and vanilla, and you can pretty much use this to make other flavors as you want them. All I'm doing now is just mixing it to incorporate that sweetened condensed milk, and then after that I'll just add the blueberry syrup, as much as you want, as blueberry-ish as you would like, if that's a word. And then you can put it in your ice cream maker. I'm gonna start off with half a cup of blueberry syrup. And then let's see. And you can always add more of the blueberry after you start the ice cream process if you think that you need it a little bit more blueberry-ish or not. I almost forgot. You wanna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now this is my ice cream maker. It's the KitchenAid attachment. I like it, I got it on sale, and it works perfectly for me. And all I do is that after every use, I put it back in the freezer so it's ready to go whenever I wanna make ice cream. It comes with these attachments, and all you do, put it on your machine. Make sure that that's clamped on. So the machine is gonna go for about 20 minutes and do its thing and get creamy. Once that ice cream gets creamy and icy, then that you'll put it in a container and you'll put it in the freezer, and you're gonna wanna wait at least 24 hours and then you'll get to eat ice cream. I always do it overnight or later in the day so that we can have it the next day. And here we are. We have the blueberry ice cream ready, and I'm debuting my ice cream bar that I just created in our home because we love ice cream in this house. Hey guys, come and get it.
We want ice cream.
All right guys, how do you like it?
Good. Yeah, good. Hey!
Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to make a delicious blueberry lemonade, click here.